Hello my crafting friends! Easter is coming, so let's make decorations! My name is Aija and I'm glad to see you on my channel. Let's take a wooden bunny blank. We will need to paint it white. We can use spray paint or a regular white paint. This time we are going for acrylic. You can order these bunnies on AliExpress or Temu or buy them at one of your local craft stores. Now let's take napkins. These are 3-layer napkins, but we will only need 1 layer with a pattern. We cut out our chosen piece. Instead of wooden bunnies, you can use cardboard. Draw a shape and cut it out. When our napkin is ready, we use white craft glue. Decorating with napkins is called decoupage. This is a super easy way to make fantastic things. Cover bunny with a glue and put a piece of napkin on the top. We will wrap it from all sides. This piece will be enough for the whole bunny. To make it easier, we make cuts in different places. Using glue and a brush, we smooth out our piece of napkin on all sides. It doesn't have to be perfect, trust the process. It will turn out great. And yes, this happens to me almost all the time. Okay, let's go back to our project. This glue is great. It is transparent after drying. The only thing is, it is not waterproof. And now let it dry. While the bunny is drying, I can make a bow. I'm obsessed with them. I use them in almost every project. So here you can be creative. Combine flowers, different shapes and bows. Everything to your liking. Now our Easter bunny is ready. Let's move on to the second idea. Here we will need an empty jar with a lid. And again you will need a wooden bunny blank. This jar lid would be perfect if there was no text on it. So we have to fix it. This time we will use spray paint in a gold tone. Definitely don't do it indoors. Spray paint both the bunny and the jar lid. Of course you can use another color, like white or even black. Using a glue gun, attach the bunny to the top of the jar lid, in the middle. For this project you can also use, for example, a wooden egg instead of the bunny. During the process I decided to change the jar. I like this one better. And of course bows, where without them. Our jar is ready. All that's left is to fill it with treats or some decorative items. You can fill it with the fairy lights and use this jar on the table as a decoration. And now it's time for our third idea. These are crocheted tablecloths. I found them at the thrift store. You can use any, even paper. You just have to fold them and you will get a wonderful table decoration as a result. Maybe you are a great crocheter and can make them. There is still time until Easter. If you fold it like this, it will look like a bunny. I will use ribbon to secure it. And here, let your creativity run wild. Various dried flowers or artificial ones. Easter elements. There are so many possibilities. This will be a great way to decorate your Easter table. You can make it simple like this, or you can put an egg in it, and it will be more interesting. Put one on each guest's plate. Believe me, everyone will love it. I hope you liked the ideas for Easter decorations. There is still time to start preparing and decorating your home. So get inspired and be creative. Thank you all so much for being with me and see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye!